Up YouTube, I'm coming here with a little bit of a break today. 1990-91 O-Pee-Chee. Yeah, that's real. We got 36 packs. We got some bubble gum. Look at who's even on the front. Bill Radford, Cam Neely. Then the bottom, the box bottoms. Now I got 8 of these. Pierre Turgeon, Doug Wilson, Don O-Pee-Chee, and the Sergei Makarov rookie. I got 4 others. Maybe I'll show you guys that another time. But let's break this open. Yeah, fools. It's like on backwards. Here's the thing. It's right broken off. This is what the packs look like, and hopefully the gum won't be stuck to the cards, and they'll just be stuck to the wrapper. I busted a box semi-recently, and the gum was stuck to the wrapper, and that's what we get here. So, oh, the gum dust. Trying to finish this set. I got most of it. Rod Buskus, that's a double. Mark Johnson, probably a double. Glenn Hanlon, Neil Wilkinson, Randy Wood. Oh boy, look at that gum on that. Tony Alberlin, Mike McPhee, Wayne Presley, Eric Desjardins, an Essential Red Army card, which I really don't care about, Evgeny Shafton, because I have a ton of these Red Army cards. I have the set. I nearly have 3 or 4 sets. So I'll just put the hits out when we get them. Well, here's always nice to have. The Red Army card is Sergei Fedorov. A Sergei B. Makarov. Interesting. Soviet Wings. James Patrick, Ron Hextall, Derek King. Here's a nice one. Igor Larionov, rookie. Mario Mariwa, Kelly Rudy, Gord Kluzak. So an ordinary 2 packs so far. Oh, very nice. Gum stuck. Valerie, I don't know. Oh, Wendell Clark. Vladimir Shastov. Oh, geez, 2 Dynamo Riga. Alexei Frolikov. Jamie Leach, top prospect. Kirk McLean. Alan Kerr. Darren Kimball. All-Star Luke Robitaille. Very nice. Very, very nice. So only real rookie is Valeriana. So far, no Gretzky's, nothing of that nature. Dave Reed, Neil Sheehy, Mario Gosselin. Ooh, another All-Star. Give me a second. Ray Bork. Nice, Ray Bork. Thomas Sandstrom, rookie. Bob Gold. Rob Stauber, rookie. Kevin Lowe. Alright, keeping it going. Keeping it rolling. I got about 60% of this set. Oh, that gum came off like nobody's business. Got the checklist, Central Red Army card. Scott Young, Dmitry Mironov, Brad Shaw, rookie. Scott Pearson, Mark Lamb, rookie. Mikhail Anderson, John Morris. And here's just a crispy looking card, Edmonton Oilers team checklist. Rolling with the packs. Rolling with the packs. Super Series. It's like gum stain on the back. Steve Chiazon, Wendell Young, Ron Francis, Sergei Zetsev, Craig McTavish, Bob Sweeney, Craig Ludwig, Mick Vagoda. Mick Vagoda. Mick Vagoda. So nothing too big so far. Essa Tikkanen. We have a Paul Ranheim, Mark Ferdier, Terry Wilson, Alan Peterson. Alright, here we go. First hit. Mark Messier. Mike Lawler, Chris King, Steven Beauregard. Very nice. The Messier so far is the hit. Oh, another All-Star. I see 1, 2, 3. Randy Cunneyworth, Matthew Schneider rookie. Ooh, another Oiler. Another Oiler to the dome. Glenn Anderson. Jim Benning. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this pack. Look at this pack, fools. Joe Sakic. Mike Ramsey. And then you get hit with this. Wayne Gretzky Art Ross trophy. Tilt that shit right there. Excuse me, pardon my language. And then an All-Star. Al McInnes. What a pack. That's a pack. I don't think I had that Gretzky. That is very nice. Alright. Oops. Knocking shit down. Doug Crossman, Mike Krushelinski, Mark Kumpel, Mike Tomac, Chris Chelios, Doug Sullivan, Buffalo Sabres, Gary Seaver. Rolling. Jim Havernack, Wayne Van Dorp. Here's a nice card to have. Checklist. Ken Linsman, Dave Barr, Dino Cicerelli, and Tim Hunter. I love the look of these cards, as I've said in previous videos. Oh, here's always nice. Archer Urbe, sorry. I love Urbe. Kirk Muller, Dave Ellett, Steve Bozick. Oh! Look at this hot pack. Another Archer Urbe. The Urbe hot pack. Adam Oates, Tempo Niemden, Tony Granado, Steve Weeks. The Urbe hot pack. Call that. Funny. Valerie Kaminsky. I know you guys got a good look at that. Kai Kissio, Jeff Reese, Dale Hunter, Jim Weimer, St. Louis Blues, Bob Airy, Euro Yavi, Vaughn Carew, and Denny Zavar. I see a pretty good card here. Doug Gilmour, first card of the pack. Pete Peters, Luke Richardson, New York Islanders, Greg Gilbert, Marty Jelinov's rookie, Gary Roberts, and Luke Robitaille. Not bad. Oh, not bad until I noticed there's a whole thing. There's like a divot there. You can kind of see it in that light. I don't know what's up with that. So no like Recce rookie, Ronak rookie, any of those guys yet. But we'll get them. We will get them. Shel Petit, Joe Newendike, Dave Hannon, Corey Roberts, Dave Babbage, Yuri Redina, John Druce rookie, Ulf Samuelson, John McIntyre. Quick pack. We're approaching on 10 minutes. Maybe I'll just stop this video right after this pack, and it's a good pack. Shane Corson, Sergei Yashin, Detroit Red Wings card. Oh, here's a double one I have. It's a Gretzky. #1. Pat Flatley, Stephon Richer, Mike Hudson. Oh, and this unfortunately has gum dust on it, but All-Star, Mark Messier. Alright, that's it. First part done. We got more left.